We're in St. George, South Carolina, and we're gonna be rolling in the grits. This is what America eats. For most of the year, this small town outside of Greenville, South Carolina is pretty quiet, but every spring, the town's population of 2,000 puts on a classic Southern festival, bringing people from all over the world. They've got all the usual stuff, typical fur food, rides, and games for the kids, and all kinds of attractions. But this isn't just another small town fair. It's the only festival where the main event is getting down and dirty in a giant pool of grits. I spoke to Roger Myers, the fair's original chairman, for a little insight into the festival. He told me about the area and an inflatable pool full of grits that makes a big splash every year.
Well, to make it simple, this area right here consumes more grits than any other part of the country.
I'm in the grits
It's capital of the world.
How's the festival grown in 34 years?
A lot of people now know it. We get calls from all over the world.
And it gives back to the community?
It gives all back to the community and scholarships and that type of stuff.
That's beautiful. Tell us about this rolling in the grits. What's this?
We weigh a person before they get into the grits to see how much grits they can pick up on their body when they get in and roll. Yeah. We weigh them afterward. So the person that gains the most grits on their body is the winner of the festival. And they only stay in there like 10 or 15 seconds rolling. And they stuff it in the shirt, pockets, breeches, or wherever they want to put it, you know. Put it in the ears if they want to, but I wouldn't advise that.
Have you done it?
No, I don't do the rolling.
In 34 years, you've never done it?
No, I just don't roll in grits, I eat them.
And when it comes to eating grits, there are two camps. People who like to eat them savoury with salt, or people who like to eat them sweet with a bit of sugar. It was good to see them both well represented at this event. Grits, savoury or sweet?
Sweet.
Why?
They're tasty.
Savoury or sweet?
Oh, you like them all. You can eat grits with anything.
Anything.
You are the grit queen.
Grits, savoury or sweet?
Oh, plain. People add sugar, they add water, they add ketchup, sometimes they add mustard, but I add nothing.
Savoury, he's sweet. Do you guys have a battle over this sweet and savoury grits?
No, I just eat the sweet and she eat the savory.
There you go.
Do you like grits?
Chicken and grits.
Oh boy, stop it, Vanessa, you flirt. Regardless of how you like them, they're all made by the real grit queen, Mary Dell, who taught this Brit about grit preparation and which classic southern dishes pair with them.
You get your water hot. You put your grits in and you stir it softly. You don't go like this.
Don't be aggressive with your grits.
You just go nice and softly.
You're putting me in the trance here. She's doing this. Yes. And my hips are going. Yes. I don't know why my hips are going.
Right. And then after a while, you'll see it kind of getting a little bit stiff. Then you let it know it's getting ready to get done. It has to be nice and smooth.
Smooth.
Yes. That's when you know you got it.
Like the electric slide on your tongue.
Exactly right. That's right. Slide. That's right.
I want to try these grits. Now for the moment I've been waiting for. Grits, stewed tomatoes, fried fish, and a dash of love, courtesy of Mary Dell and her lovely team.
Oh, wow. How did it taste?
That is so creamy. It's got this starch of creaminess. The bacon's in there.
Right, the bacon
and
is.
the tomato.
Yes.
The fish has got a crispy crust from that cornmeal.
Right, yes.
Looks tender.
That's right. And then you take another spoon full of grits.
I've only got one mouth. Here we go. I think I'm going to put my house up for sale.
That's right, put it on for sale. All right.
Full of southern cooking, it was time for me to dive into the rest of the festival, competing in the grits eating contest, marching in the parade, and of course, tasting many of the non-grit snacks. It's nearly time for everyone to start rolling in the grits. Everybody's going to jump in there, and they try to keep as much as they can on them, and then they get weighed. I couldn't do it. I just couldn't do it. Not even for a bowl of grits, I couldn't do it. I have a lot of courage, but going in that pool, have you seen it?
Ready? Go! 1, 2, but not least, Jon Ashton. Where's he at? Come on, Jon. Jon. We want Jon. 2, 3. Oh! That's how you roll in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. All right, he steps up.
I can't see.
All right.
Well, hopefully I'll never have to do that again. But hey, I picked up £12, and that's no small feat. I may not have won, but it's not bad from a boy from Liverpool. Though this weekend was speckled with amusement, I was consistently reminded of the festival's impact on a sleepy town. People travel from all over the world to participate, bringing energy to this community. It's a way for them to raise money, provide scholarships for the town's youth, and undoubtedly maintain St. George's status as a South Carolina destination.
I hope you enjoyed this edition of What America Eats. Until next time, I'm Jon Ashton. See you soon. Say goodbye, everybody.